Hello, welcome to Kurdish lessons one more time. Today's expression is قوات be. Probably you all somehow heard this expression because it is really common among Kurds. Okay, so it is basically literally means good luck or may it be easy. So you can use it when you enter a store and you see someone is working. So instead of saying Slav, we say قوات be. And when you leave this store, you can say قوات be. It's very common. And today I was reading a story, and in that story, I saw a response for this expression. Basically, I would say malatava or spas as a response for this expression, but I saw that the guy in the story says قوات خوش. It's very nice. So قوات be and the response قوات خوش. You may know spas.